Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Asynchronous Learning Day. Don't forget, if you need anything, you can email me or text or call. I'm available all day. There will be Zoom sessions available for anybody that needs extra help. If you have questions, anything I can do to make this day a little less stressful for you, just contact me and let me know, and be happy to help. Today, expectations are to finish assignments in Google Classroom from this week. So if you still have classifying real numbers to finish and the rational and irrational numbers assignment from yesterday, go ahead and get that done. Next is any ALEKS assignments that are in the class that you need to finish, be it Spiral Review 1B or integers. And then lastly, just check Infinite Campus for any missing work. And if there is an assignment that you happen to need reopened, let me know and I can go in and reopen that for you so that you can complete anything, and then I'll update Infinite Campus by the end of the day. Sorry about the little blip for my homeroom yesterday. Apparently, somehow I didn't get the right time selected for the instructional video, so it didn't post until 7 p.m. last night as opposed to 7 a.m. like it was supposed to. But the video I posted yesterday does have instructions for the rational and irrational numbers assignment that I added to Google Classroom yesterday. So it's there in your feed now, but I'm going to hold off on doing any of my drawings until a little later in the day. And then I'll post those Amazon drawings into the Google Classroom so that anybody that was in my class has a chance to take a look at that instructional video if they had difficulty with the assignment. Again, I apologize. It was just an error on my part. If you could forgive me for that, that'd be greatly appreciated. Otherwise, I will plan on seeing all of you Monday morning. And again, call, text, email. I'm available all day, and I'm willing to get into any Zoom session with any student that needs to work. So have a good day, and let me know how I could be of assistance. Stay safe out there.